Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make electronic nails that look like glowing electric lights. This design, which looks like flowing LED lights, uses a special sheet. Although it's special, it doesn't actually have electricity flowing through it. It's just a piece of cloth-like material that shines brightly like an aurora, and is simply cut out and pasted on the nail. It is very easy to make, and I have a feeling it will be very popular this summer. I will be the first to bring you the latest in trendy nail art, so please watch until then. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with nail care, lightly file the surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, apply your favorite color gel. In this case, I will apply this magnetic gel to the entire nail. When doing this design, it is recommended to apply magnetic gel, lime, or other glittery gel as a base color. After applying a thin coat of magnetic gel to the entire nail, cure it. Since one coat is too light, so apply 2 coats. After spreading the entire coat, prepare the magnet and make the magnetic gel particles sparkle. Slowly approach the magnet from the outside of the nail and twist the magnet inward. Now, the magnetic particles are on the left side. Do the same thing and apply the magnet from the top, bottom, left, right, and diagonal sides to make the entire nail sparkle. Once the entire nail is sparkling, cure it. Next, rub pink Aurora powder on the nail. If the powder is rubbed on as is, it will stick unevenly due to the sticky uncured gel. So first, apply a no-wipe top coat to make the nail surface smooth. When the entire surface is coated, cure. Next, rub on pink Aurora powder. Apply the powder to an eyeshadow tip or your finger and rub it all over the nail surface. Once the entire surface has been rubbed, use a soft brush to brush off any excess Aurora powder remaining on the surface. Next, let's attach the sheet that will be the main part of this nail art. Here is product called Lumilace by Ice Gel. This product has recently been launched in Japan and is a hot topic right now. It is made of cloth-like material. But if you look closely, you will see that it is made of fibers that shines brightly in yellow and green like the aurora. When viewed from different angles, this mysterious sheet looks like a flowing electric light. There are a total of 8 types of Lumilace color variations. But these 4 types look like flowing lights. There are 4 types: satin white, satin black, satin blue, and satin pink. The URL of where to purchase is also posted in the summary section, so please check it out. This time, I would like to use this satin white. First, cut this sheet to match the nail size. This time, I want to cut it into a rectangle smaller than the nail and stick it to the center. After cutting the sheet to the approximate size of your nail, trim off the corners of the sheet just a little bit. This will prevent the sheet from rolling up. Once the sheet is ready, let's stick it on the nail. First, spread clear gel such as base coat over the entire nail as a glue for attaching the sheet. Apply a little more than you would normally apply. Once the entire area is coated, place the cut sheet on the nail. Using tweezers or a wood stick, press the sheet so that the gel soaks into the sheet. The satin-like texture of the sheet makes it easy to apply and confirm to the nail. It's okay if the sheet doesn't wrap when you release the tweezers. Let it harden as is. Next, we will eliminate any unevenness on the nail surface and create a smooth surface. When embedding such sheet materials or shells, the surface will inevitably be uneven. So we will coat them with base coat or other clear gels to eliminate the bumps. If the bumps are too big to be covered by the gel, file off the bumps before coating. When the nail surface is smooth and coated without bumps, cure. Finally, finish by applying a non-wipe top coat. This is the final step, so be careful not to get any dust or other debris in the coating. When the entire surface has been coated, cure. This completes the process. Depending on the viewing angle, the design looks like a flowing electric light. How was the electronic nails using Lumilace? If you want the same design, you will need Ice Gel Lumilace, the latest nail art that will be in vogue this summer, and we will hope you try it too. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.